Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
We're here on the show, on the floor. So excited to being here.
Yes, me too.
I mean, there's so many people here and just the energy. Like, how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, the buzz is tremendous. We've got 1,500 partners here. You're in the middle of our innovation showroom. It's fantastic. I'm loving it.
There's one thing that I know is the top of mind, AI,
Yeah.
and how it plays in the future of work.
Yes, absolutely. So AI is the future of work, right? There's no doubt about it in my mind. And if you think about all those tedious tasks that we have to do every day, whether it's like analyzing a report, AI is going to start to do it for us. So that's going to be like magnificent, make us all more productive. And not only that, and this is the bit I get really excited about, it's going to do it the way Ryan wants to do it. You know, it's going to personalize it. It's going to personalize what we need to do. So that's amazing. So like if I want my stuff summarized in bullets, you like it summarized in a visual representation, that's what it's going to do.
I know the work relationship
Yes.
index because I got to see the report.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I think it's important, right, like you mentioned, where is that relationship, right, when you think about that now, and how do you see it hopefully getting better as well?
Yeah, that's a great question. So right now, the relationship is not great. So 27% of people are saying that they don't have a healthy relationship with work. That's not good. They're not happy. And 28% say they're not getting that fulfillment, that sense of purpose from their work. So again, take away all that tedious stuff that we have to do, then you can get involved in the more meaningful work that we all want to get into. That's the first thing. And the other thing is, if it makes us more productive, maybe we can get that work-life balance back. So that's going to help with our relationship with work.
Also in that index, they're talking about that many of the workers, the knowledge workers, want tools.
Yes.
Right? And the education around tools. You know,
Yes.
can you speak a little bit more to that and maybe what you see in the future of what tools we'll be using?
Yeah, well look, everyone wants AI and they want it to make them more productive and do all these great things, but there's a lot we don't know. And we're seeing that kind of fear amongst knowledge workers. 41% say they do not feel well equipped to deal with AI. So we need business leaders to figure out how we're going to train everybody, how we're going to support them, how we're going to make sure that people are able to use and experiment with AI and implement it into our work. So there's a lot to do, but we've got to get people educated. We've got to get people trained.
Well, let's stay right there.
Yeah.
Thinking about AI and organizations, how would you say that they need to implement that strategy? For many of these organizations on AI, they don't know where to start. How can they implement that strategy?
Yeah, that's a good question. So we're thinking about it in a number of ways. We're thinking about it in terms of, first of all, we want to implement AI into our products. So make our whether it's printers, whether it's laptops, whether it's audio pieces, etc. But we also got to make sure that we're putting it into the way we work as well. So I'm a comms leader. So how do we create FAQs out of a document using AI, not having to do everything from scratch? So some of it is training, as I said, implementing. We have some company-wide training going on across HP. And then some of it is getting my teams to get comfortable with the technology, start using it straight away.
Yeah.
We already rolled out Copilot. People are using it, they're seeing the benefits of it, and we're sharing those successes. It's amazing.
I'm going to say a word.
Yeah.
I want you to immediately think, comes top of mind.
Yep.
All right? You ready?
Yep.
The word amplify.
It's about increasing volume in every respect. So turning up the volume on HP and what we're doing and all the fantastic things we're doing, turning up the volume on AI, turning up the volume for our partners. That's what it's all about.
So when you think about that, what other key takeaways that you would want your partners to take away from this great gathering?
Yeah, well, I want them to understand that there are two huge opportunities ahead for us. One is hybrid work, the other is AI. We're embedding it in all our technology. We want to help them. We've just launched a massive training program for our partners called a Future Ready Masterclass. Well, they'll learn all about AI. Yeah, and we can do it together. I'm excited.
All right, I got another one. Fill in the blank.
Yeah.
Ryan's curious, so this is coming.
Yeah.
The future of work is?
Future of work is here. I mean, it's here, right? It's already here. We're already working remotely and hybrid and in the office and on the train and everywhere, right? It's just going to change. It's going to continue to evolve and it's going to continue to change.
I feel like I'm standing right in the middle of the epicenter of what future work is.
Yes, exactly. It's here. It's right here.